Hi guys, Mogau here, aka the Lazy Makoti, and today I'm going to be showing you another easy recipe. Honey mustard chicken with some umfino pap. So let's get straight into it. While our oil is heating up, I'm just going to season my chicken. Just rub everything together until all of your pieces are nicely seasoned. So remember that it doesn't have to be all the way cooked because it's still gonna cook in the oven. So I'm gonna set my chicken aside while we actually make our sauce. So in the same pan, I'm gonna add just a little more oil. And the reason we're using the same pan is that we've left all this flavor of the chicken, might as well use it. So I'm gonna add in my one chopped onion, about 1 teaspoon of garlic. Fry until our onion is nice and soft. Decrease your heat, do about a low heat, and then we can add in our beautiful whole grain mustard, some honey, just to add a bit of sweetness to our dish. And then lastly, I'm going to add in some water. And I'm just going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. After that, we will add back our chicken. So now our chicken is ready to go inside the oven and actually finish cooking. So here it goes. So now for our umfino pap, you need a pot of boiling water. Like your water needs to be like really boiling, not just warm. Add in my maize meal, break all the lumps that obviously form, and then make sure that your heat is not too high because the stuff burns. So as you keep stirring and adding in more maize meal, it'll start to thicken. And all that you're really trying to do is have as few lumps as possible. Our spinach. So if I was home in Polokwane, I'd be using some morogo, but spinach works just as well. You could also use some cabbage if you want. And then we're gonna make it nice and creamy with a little bit of butter. This is very much optional, but I like to season my pap just a little bit. But if you don't like salted pap, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to season. So now I'm just gonna close and we are gonna allow our pap to cook. So now our pap is almost ready. I'm just gonna turn off the heat, add a little bit of butter just to add that creaminess. And here it is, our umfino pap served with some honey mustard chicken. Happy cooking!